Hello everyone, I am Assistant Professor S.V. Shejai from Agricultural Engineering Department. In last lecture we learn about different terms related to the IC engine. In this session we are going to solve examples over the different terms of IC engine. Okay. Now let's see the first example. Calculate the swept volume. Okay, we already discussed about what is meant by swept volume. Okay, the volume which is displaced by the piston, that is called as swept volume. Okay, and bhp of 4 stroke, here is the 4 stroke 4 cylinder IC engine. Okay, which has 12.5 centimeter cylinder bore, then 15 centimeter stroke length and 1800 rpm. It's the engine speed. Okay, then 7 kg per centimeter square, it is the main effective pressure, and mechanical efficiency, that is about 85%. Okay, now let's see the what is the given. D means bore diameter of the cylinder is equal to 12.5 centimeter. Then stroke length, that is denoted by the L. Here stroke length is 15 centimeter. Then engine speed, that is denoted by capital N or small, and it is 1800 rpm. And pressure, mean effective pressure, that is 7 kg per centimeter square, and mechanical efficiency is equal to 85%, and X means total number of cylinders is equal to 4. Okay, now we have to calculate first swept volume. Okay, what is the formula for the swept volume? Pi by 4 d square into L. Okay, so before that we should calculate the area of the piston, and also here we have to calculate BHP, it means brake horsepower. Okay, so first we have to calculate area of the piston. So formula for the area of the piston is equal to pi by 4 into d square is equal to, value of pi is equal to 3.142 divided by 4 into d square. Okay, so 12.5 square, so the answer will be 122.73 centimeter square. Okay, that will be the area. After that, formula of the swept volume Vs is equal to pi by 4 d square into L. Then after putting all the values in that formula, we get this answer. Okay, this is the final answer of the swept volume. Okay, then next, indicated horsepower. The formula for the indicated horsepower, that is P into L into A into N divided by 4500 into X by 2, right? Actually we have to calculate here BHP. Okay, but we know that the mechanical efficiency is equal to BHP divided by IHP. Okay, or we already have the value for mechanical efficiency, but we don't have the value for IHP. So we have to calculate first IHP. So now this is the formula. Then after putting all the values, we get this answer, and the unit for this IHP, that is horsepower. Okay, when we calculate the IHP, the L means stroke length should be in meter. So here we have to convert that value into the meter. So 15 centimeter, which is converted into the meter, that is 0.15. So 7 into 0.15 into area into N means engine speed divided by 4500 into X. Here X value is 4 because the total number of cylinders are 4 divided by 2. Why 2? Because this is the 4-stroke engine. If there is 2-stroke engine, so the formula will be X by 1. Okay. Okay, now the BHP is equal to IHP into mechanical efficiency. So after putting the both values for IHP and mechanical efficiency, we get this value, that is 87.63 HP. Okay, here also okay, the value for mechanical efficiency is taken here 0.85. Why? Because the mechanical efficiency formula is equal to BHP divided by IHP into 100. Okay, so the answer will be in percentage. So that 100 is divided here, so 0.85 here, and the answer will be 87.63 horsepower. Okay, now let's see the next example. A 4-cylinder 4-stroke gas engine has the cylinder diameter that is about 25 centimeter. It means capital D is equal to 25 centimeter. Then stroke bore ratio means L by D, that is 1.8. Then clearance volume, that is 4500 centimeter square. Okay, it is represented by V2. Then engine speed is equal to 240 revolutions per minute, so N is equal to 240 revolutions per minute. Then mean effective pressure, that is about 6.8 kg per centimeter square, and mechanical efficiency, that is about 75%, and total number of cylinders are 4, so here X is equal to 4. Okay, now here we have to calculate IHP, then BHP, then compression ratio and swept volume. Okay, so for IHP, if we want to calculate IHP and swept volume, we should know the area. Okay, area of the piston is equal to pi by 4 into d square. So the value for the pi is equal to 3.142 divided by 4 into 25 square, because the diameter is equal to 25, so the answer will be 490.94 centimeter square. Okay, now formula for IHP, P into L into A into N divided by 4500 into X by 2. Why X by 2? Because the engine is 4-stroke, so here X by 2. By putting all the values, we get this value, that is 1.60.24 HP. Again you should to consider L here, that should be in meter, and the stroke length is okay. Before that we have to calculate the stroke length, right? Because we have to because here we have the values for only D and stroke bore ratio. Okay, so L divided by D is equal to 1.8, right? So we know that the value for D, that is equal to 25 is equal to 1.8, so L is equal to 1.8 into 25. Okay, so the answer will be 45 centimeter, and here L should be in meter for IHP, so that is converted into meter, centimeter to meter. Okay, so here 0.45. Okay, now BHP. Okay, we know that formula for mechanical efficiency, BHP divided by IHP into 100. So BHP is equal to IHP into mechanical efficiency. Okay, so 160.24, that is the value for IHP, into 0.75, that is the mechanical efficiency. Okay, then is equal to, answer will be 120.18 HP. Why the value for mechanical efficiency that is taken here 0.75? Because we know that the formula for mechanical efficiency, BHP divided by IHP into 100. Okay, now we have the value for ME, means mechanical efficiency, and IHP. We should know about BHP, or we have to calculate BHP. Okay, so rearranging the formula for BHP, so the formula will be IHP into mechanical efficiency divided by 100, right? So here 0.75. Okay, now next quantity we have to calculate here, swept volume. We already calculate the area, so formula for the swept volume, that is pi by 4 d square into L. Okay, so we can put the values here. So value for pi, that is 3.142 divided by 4 into 25 square. Now the value for L is equal to 45 centimeter square. We have already discussed about how to calculate the L by using the L by D ratio. So the final answer will be 22,092.18 centimeter cube, because here the volume, so unit will be centimeter cube. Okay, now clearance volume is given. The last quantity we have to calculate, that is compression ratio, and the value, the formula for the compression ratio is equal to V1 by V2. Okay, that is total cylinder volume to the clearance volume. The value for the clearance volume is already given. We have to calculate total volume, right? So total volume is equal to clearance volume plus swept volume, and we know the value for the swept volume we already calculated here. So plus clearance volume is already given, divided by again clearance volume. So the compression ratio will be 5.9, and it is dimensionless. Okay, so here this lecture is finished. So thank you for listening.